Hello to all my friends out there. And these are homemade noodles. Really easy. Anyone can make these if you have a good recipe. So here is the recipe I like. 1 cup flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon half and half, 1.5 teaspoons salt. And what I do is I put the flour, any kind of flour. I bought this flour at Dollar Tree for $1. It's really good flour too. And salt. I put the flour and the salt in a bowl and I mix it. Then I make like a well and I mix half and half or cream, or if you don't have any, milk, and 1 egg, and then I start stirring it around. And what I do, because for me the 1 tablespoon half and half is not enough. So if it's not easily forming into a ball from the middle, then I move the middle part that's combined over to the side and I add half and half, little by little, until I create a ball. You know, when you have a half and half enough in there, it will form into a ball. And so right now I'm drying my noodles. It says 10 minutes, but I just dry them until I'm ready. When my turkey is done, I'll be back. I'm going to make some gravy, and then I'm going to cut these noodles. And so nothing is easier than noodles. And noodles are important because, in the event of any kind of an emergency, well, you can't go down to Dollar Tree and buy some noodles. So, and they're easy to make and they're very yummy homemade. So, okay. And in the day, everything wasn't perfect, Just roll yourself out some noodles, and if the first batch or so doesn't come out, on noodles, you don't have to worry about getting too much flour, because your flour will kind of thicken your gravy up. So, but the main thing is you want to roll your noodles rather thin. Let me see if I can get a close-up so you get the idea. I don't handle them too much. I just roll them out as best I can. So, okay, I will be back, and God bless you all.